Mike, you've got a different guest for Community Corner today. What's going on, man?
We do. And so you're the guest, which I'm really excited about because I think this is the first time we've done Community Corner together, right?
Oh, I think it is. It may very well be. No, so what's going
So
on?
we have a question. I think it's actually a really relevant one. So the question came through on the mailing list from Kevin Ulbrich. And he goes, Hi, we are currently testing Graylog 2 to merge logs from several UC nodes. In FreeSWITCH, am I able to send syslog messages to a remote server instead of a file? Can we do that?
Actually, the answer to that is yes. There's actually two different ways to do that. One, there is mod syslog for FreeSWITCH. You can use that, and that will send standard syslog messages. So it'll work with your Graylog server. It'll work with things like Splunk or even rsyslog or any of those mechanisms that use that. There's also mod Graylog. Mod Graylog is a relatively new module, and I don't know how much usage it's getting out there, but you can definitely try that also. And if you find problems with it, patches are welcome. There you've got a couple of different options there that you can use.
Right. And so how would one actually configure this?
Um, so each one is going to have its own configuration file on where to send things. So with that, you'll want to install them. I don't know off the top of my head if they're packaged up. I know probably my Graylog is probably not packaged because it's such a new module. But with that, you install them. Look in your Etsy, if you're installing from packages, Etsy FreeSWITCH autoload configs. You'll find a syslog.conf.xml file in there or graylog.conf.xml and adjust your servers for those and adjust your log levels that you want sent over. And, just do it like you would any other logging in FreeSWITCH. Whether it's mod log file or whatever you're using for the logs, and set those log levels and let it go. All logging in FreeSWITCH does comply with the standard syslog log levels. Everything from alert, no logging, all the way up through debug. So you just set the appropriate level and go. Pretty straightforward.
Cool. Well, thank you, Ken.
All right.
Answers from the experts.